If you have ever visited a country store in Arkansas, you have seen Deli Meats by Petit Meats. Petit bologna is our signature deli meat and is made with quality cuts of pork and beef and is flavored with garlic and other special seasonings. Our bologna is smoked for 6 hours with real Ozark hickory wood chips and never liquid smoked. Another favorite is mock chicken loaf. Mock chicken loaf is also known as peppered loaf. Mock chicken loaf was created during the Depression when people were looking for a food that tasted like chicken, but chicken was just not available. We say mock chicken loaf, but really there's no chicken in our chicken loaf. It is made with prime cuts of pork and beef and special seasonings. Next, we have a pickle and pimento loaf, or also known as P&P loaf. P&P loaf is made with quality pork and beef and diced pickles and pimentos. This loaf is delicious on your favorite bread, but we also like to use this on charcuterie boards. And speaking of charcuterie boards, let's look at a few ideas using Petit Jean deli meats. Using a slice of P&P loaf, we have spread herbed cream cheese, then rolled and cut on the diagonal. This adds interest, dimension, and yummy flavor to your board. Another option is an antipasta taco. For these tacos, we have included Petit Jean bologna and mock chicken loaf, and they serve as the shell. Then we've added cheese, banana peppers, lettuce, tomato, and a squeeze of country mustard. Next, do you have a fried bologna sandwich on your menu? For this sandwich, we have added a traditional pimento cheese spread, then put it on a croissant for a small twist to this southern favorite. Many lunch meats, summer sausages, and hot dogs on the market today are made with mechanically separated chicken. You will never find this in any Petit Jean product. In fact, we have no chicken in our plant. Finally, who does not love a club? We have made this club using Petit Jean ham, bologna, chicken loaf, and crisp, smoked Petit Jean bacon. You can't beat this delicious combination. These are just a few offerings from Petit Jean deli meats.